What's good, people? It's your boy Big Dre. Welcome back to the Crypto Jigging channel. Now, if you're new around here, my channel is all about making money online. I do occasionally make some review videos and make some videos about football. In this video, we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency. To be more specific, we're going to be talking about Boss Token. It's a complete new concept. It's a new project. And as you guys know, I like new projects. I like to make daily updates on them, especially in the early stages, just to show you lot what's actually going on with that project. Before we go any further, you hit that like button down below, subscribe, turn on the notification bells so that you know whenever I release a new video. Now, let's get straight into this. Now, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you can actually get a full understanding of what's going on with the Boss Token and why the market is looking a bit like this. Boom. So as you guys know, when it comes to new projects, Big Dre is always the first to talk about it, and I'm always the first to give you daily updates on it. So without further ado, let's get straight into the phone, brother. Let's get straight into this phone. So I've got my screen recording up, which you're going to see on the TV, which you're going to see on the screen right now. And so Boss Token, the actual purpose of it, it was introduced to create something called Boss Track. I'm going to talk a little bit about it in other videos, but as you can see here, you can have a little glance at it, have a little read, and see what they're actually talking about. So it was actually created by someone called Zero Waiting, but I actually haven't put his name on here or his Twitter handle for some reason. But it was created by someone called Zero Waiting. He's a YouTuber. I'm gonna probably put a picture of him or something like his channel there, so you lot can actually see what he's about. So now the coin was introduced some point this month, so it might have been in the middle of September, sometime like that, or the start of September. Now I've been using two different websites. I can't even say apps because it hasn't been on any apps. I've been using two different platforms to access it. So there's no trading view available at the moment, but the two I've been using is CoinMarketCap, and the next one is, wait, why are they both on CoinMarketCap? Yeah, anyway, yeah, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. So I've been using CoinGecko because when it was first initially launched, that was the only place that I found which you could actually access it and see, you know, what's going on with coins. So if I refresh it now, you think I want Android, you can see how much it's worth at the moment. Hasn't changed, it's still about 14.3. So if we scroll down now, see what's happened in the past 24 hours, as you can see, beer dumping going on in the market. So if we have a look at the candles, you can see we're on a downward trend right now. In the video I made talking about how to actually buy Boss Token, I told you lot I noticed the trend that we was on, so I was waiting to buy into the coin, and I did. I bought in around the 30, I believe it was like 32 mark, somewhere around there, 32, 34. That was around, I mean, that's roughly what I thought was a good time to buy. And I bought again when it dropped down to around 20 something, and I'm going to buy it again, and I'm planning to buy it again when it's roughly around £1,000, and I'm going to buy it again when it's roughly around that 1,000 mark, as you see here. So now look, if we look at the past 7 days, we know the coin launched on CoinMarketCap, as you see there. If you look at 14 days, it's probably better. You can see from here, launched on CoinMarketCap. As you see, the price went straight up because obviously you got, you know, new people that actually know about the coin because there's not much promotion. That's why I said I'm probably going to be the first really talking about it like that. So as you see, people bought in, and what happens with new coins, as you know, it dumped. So as you see, it's started dumping in the market, which is nothing new. As we look at the candlesticks here, we had a sharp increase. It was steadily trading around that, you know, just over 30,000, between 30 and 35,000. We was trading around that mark. This didn't mean anything to me, those two big candlesticks to open and close. But I was looking at it, if we stayed around that mark, I would have said yes, we're definitely looking very good. So if you look at the candlesticks now, you can see we're not trading sideways as Zero Waiting would like to suggest. At the moment, we're on a downward trend, so no one's really believing the coin, you know. It's a lot of FOMO going on. So what we need right now is just promotion. Now I'm going to recommend all of you guys to buy Boss Token. The purpose of the coin is actually to use it to work with a DeFi network, Boss token itself is a meme coin, but it actually works on the Binance Smart Chain Network. So as you guys see, it's dropped quite low right now, so it's probably the perfect time to get in. So now if we look at the coin market cap graph, we can actually see, look at the past 7 days, you can see it launched, people started buying in, and then as you see, it just started dumping straight away, which is normal. Whenever you get new coins, people will buy and start dumping. If you look at Omni right now, people are talking about its rise. However, Omni all-time high last year, it hasn't met this year. So if you guys know anything about Omni, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, for the time being, this is how the graph is looking. We're looking like we're on a downward trend for the time being until there's more promotion. So I'm going to be making videos on this daily. So now if you want to see some more videos on this, make sure you hit that like button down below. Leave a comment on what video you want to see me talk about. Leave a comment below on what you want me to talk about in regards to Boss token in my next video, which comes out tomorrow. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for now. So if you see, I can actually make 2 lines there, which I can't do. Leave a comment down below if this has been any use for you at all. Make sure you leave a comment down below. I'm gonna make a new video tomorrow, well later on today, and upload it so you guys can see. And yeah, we're gonna just do daily videos talking about Boss token. You know what I'm saying? It's the Boss Army. We're gonna make something happen, and this is gonna make us millionaires. Watch. Make sure you like, subscribe. It's been Big J. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Okay, so this video is done for now. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. It's been Big Dre. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next video.